How to download and play Grid Autosport on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Grid Autosport in your mobile phone. So it does not matter what mobile phone you're using, this works for iPhone and Android both. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your App Store or Google Play Store, it's up to your device, and head over to the search bar and search for Grid Autosports. After you search for Grid Autosport, you should find the app, so let it load, and this is the app right here. Now this is a racing game, you can easily get this, it's available everywhere. So yeah, you can then tap on the get button and tap on install. Tap on install and it should start downloading. After it finishes downloading, you can start playing the game, and that's basically all for the video. Thanks for watching guys, that's how you download Grid Autosports. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.